Hello students, welcome back. Today I am continuing the class 9 subject IT. Chapter 9 is our continuing spreadsheet program. Today I am discussing a few interesting topics: types of data, basic calculations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how to insert and delete rows and columns, and formatting our cells. This is a very simple topic. Okay, so you can see types of data in a spreadsheet. You can see three types of data in cell. Numbers, we know very well. In a spreadsheet program we always type numbers, date and time, formulas, and text, student names, city, state. This kind of data we already insert. So city, state, this is a words, so we can say this is a textual data, and we can perform calculation, so we can say this is a formula. Okay, the next thing is numbers. It is a row number, so data, it is aligned to the right. Okay, when you type a number, it always will show in right side. Okay, but in a number we can also decorate, we can also use decimal point, we can also use thousand separators. So you can see a decimal point is used as a separator for decimal numbers. We can also use a comma is used as a separator for numerical values in thousands, suppose 1000 basis. Okay, we can also use rupees, dollar sign. A number will become a currency format. So numbers can be started with a dollar sign or with some other currency symbols to display as currency. Okay, numbers are interpreted as a date. We can also insert a date. Okay, but it is entered in the American date format. Okay, American date format always use first month, then day, then year. Okay, so month, day and year. Our Indian style is DD, MM and YY. Okay, so three kinds of data we can see: textual data, numerical data, date data, formula. Okay, now next thing we are continuing formula. Okay, so because suppose we have a set of values and we want to perform some type of calculation, suppose sum, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, so we must use a formula. So it is a mathematical expression to perform calculation on data in cells. For example, to perform addition on the data in cells, suppose A1, B2 and C3, and display the result in cells D4. Okay, so the formula will be is equal to A1 plus B2 plus C3 in cells D4. So we can use first we open D4 cell, and in D4 we can type is equal to A1 plus B2 plus C3. In A1 already has some value, in B2 already has some value, and C3 already has some value. So it will display the addition result. Okay, the next point is the formula or function always begin with an equal sign. Okay, suppose in Excel you type a number. Okay, we can directly type, you type your name, we can directly type. But suppose you want to calculate this formula and calculation, so calculation always start with equal to sign. This is very important thing. We must use equality sign to perform a calculation. Okay, now text. Okay, suppose address, student address. So student address compose of house number, then city, then district, then street. So mixing of alphanumeric data. So it include a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. Special character means we can use colon, dash, okay, comma, full stop, etc. The next point is by default text data is aligned to the left. Okay, when you type your name, it will always display in left side, or when you type a number, it will display in right side. Okay, a cell which has text format treat the numerical values as a text. Okay, so this is the advanced thing. The next thing is, okay, but the main purpose of any spreadsheet program is to perform wide range of calculations easily and fastly. So spreadsheet program provide this kind of facility, so we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and many more. We can perform so many types of calculation but here is Autosum function. It is a very powerful, mostly widely we can use to sum the set of values horizontally and vertically. We can perform the Autosum. The Autosum function displays the sum of the selected cells directly. We know very well a sigma sign, okay, on the spreadsheet program. On the clicking Autosum feature, the sum function appears that requires a range of cells which the sum is to be performed. Only we will calculate only one formula of sum. Then there is no need to again use formula. Only we can sub drag and drop method and we can copy the formula. So you can copy formula in cells using fill and handle. Okay, in cell a black plus you can see, and with the help of black plus we can drag and drop to repeat the formula. So there is no need to type the formula again and again. So the copied formula automatically change based on the relative position of rows and columns. So we can, other operation is subtraction, multiplication, division. So we can use minus operator used for performing subtraction operation, the multiplication operator used for performing multiplication operation, and division operator used for division operation. Okay. Now the next thing is very simple topic. We can insert in rows, we can also delete the rows or columns. First, to select a complete row or column, click on its header. We know very well in Excel or any other spreadsheet program, column names refer to A, B, C, D, and rows refer to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is headers. So to insert a row, simple thing is we can use home tab, then we can use insert, then we can use insert sheet rows. Suppose you want to insert a column. So for this purpose, first you select the column, then click home, then insert sheet columns. Suppose you want to delete a row. So click home, delete, and delete sheet rows. And suppose you want to delete a column, first you select that column which you want to be delete. So to delete a column, click home, delete, and delete sheet columns. This is a simple topics. Now formatting cells. After typing our data, we can colorful our data. We can bold, italic, underline. We can change the font color. We can change the font size. We can also change the formatting. We can border and shadings. We can insert pictures. Okay, this kind of work we can say formatting cells. So here one terminology is wrap text. Okay, what is wrap text? The feature of Excel makes all the content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. In Excel, only a cell you can see. You can type your name because name is a single word or more than one word. But suppose you want to type your address, but address is maybe considered 3 to 4 lines. So in a cell we can convert this line in a paragraph style in a cell with the help of wrap text feature. So this kind of facility we can use. The wrap text option is present in alignment group of the home tab. You keep in mind home tab we can use wrap text. The next thing is the font group. We already use in MS Word, PowerPoint. So the same thing we can repeat. The font group of home ribbon provide a number of options to format of cells, content of cells, such as you can change the font, okay, Arial, Times New Roman, Verdana, Calibri, Monotype Cursiva, Trebuchet, okay, this kind of font, handwriting we can change, font size we can change at 20, 30, 40, okay, font color, background color of cells, we can also create the border and around the cell border and shading, okay, this thing is I will explain in practically, okay, after some lectures, okay. The next thing is formatting cell, we are continuing. So the horizontal we know left, center and right, and vertical means top, middle and bottom alignment are present. So both kind of facility of alignment are available. We can horizontally manage and we can also vertically manage. Here one thing is important, the merge and center option combines 2 or more adjacent cell into a single large cell. Suppose you have a particular heading, okay, so in a heading we can merge multiple cell and convert into one big cell. using a merge and center option. Okay, and the merge and center option is present in the alignment group of the home tab. So you should keep in mind. Okay students, thanks for attending the online class. Okay, in comment box, okay, because comment box you can type name, class, section, okay, and this question you will write in your notebook. Okay, because the question is, you will write this question in notebook. What is formula, how to insert a row and delete a column, what is a brief text. So this is a simple question, you should write in your notebook. Okay, so it will very beneficial for you. Okay, thank you students.